Croeso I Coleg Gwent. Welcome to Coleg Gwent. Here we are at our Blaenau Gwent Learning Zone in Ebbw Vale, home to all post-16 education in the county and part of the regeneration of the former steel site now known as The Works, a beautiful, light and airy space that gives you positive vibes as soon as you walk through the door. We've a huge range of A-level subjects, vocational and higher education qualifications, along with an extensive range of part-time courses to choose from. The campus is easily accessible from the heads of the valleys by public transport and outside of Ebbw Vale, from Newport as far as Cardiff, as we're right next to the train station. We're a cyber-first gold college working in partnership with industry-leading employers. We're also specialised in engineering facilities for advanced composites, aeronautical and a racing car for our motorsport enthusiasts. There's something for everyone at Coleg Gwent, and we'd love you to join us. Take a look around using our 360 tour.